Hello and welcome to this video on how to obtain an LLC by yourself. An LLC or limited liability company is a popular business structure for entrepreneurs and small business owners. It offers limited liability protection and is easy to set up. In this video, we'll take you through the step-by-step process of how to obtain an LLC by yourself. Step 1. Choose a name. The first step is to choose a name for your LLC. The name should be unique and not already in use by another business in your state. You can check the availability of your chosen name by searching your state's Secretary of State website. Step 2. Register with the state. Next, you need to register your LLC with the state. You'll need to file articles of organization with your state's Secretary of State office. This document includes information such as the name of your LLC, the address, and the names of the owners. Step 3. Obtain an EIN. After you've registered your LLC with the state, you'll need to obtain an EIN or employer identification number. This is a unique number that the IRS uses to identify your business. You can obtain an EIN by completing an online application on the IRS website. Step 4. Draft an operating agreement. An operating agreement is a legal document that outlines the ownership and operating procedures of your LLC. It's not required in every state, but it's recommended to have one to protect your business and clarify expectations between owners. Step 5. Obtain necessary licenses and permits. Depending on your business, you may need to obtain licenses and permits to operate legally. Check with your state and local government offices to determine which licenses and permits are required for your industry. Conclusion: congratulations, you now know how to obtain an LLC by yourself. Remember, the process may vary slightly depending on the state you're in, so be sure to do your research and follow the specific requirements in your state. Setting up an LLC is a great way to protect your personal assets and take your business to the next level. Thanks for watching and good luck on your entrepreneurial journey.